When it comes to taxes, not all trusts are treated the same. Here's how the IRS looks at them. For tax purposes, there are 3 types of trust: Grantor Trust, Simple Trust, and Complex Trust. A Grantor Trust is ignored for income tax purposes. The person who created the trust, the grantor, still reports all the income on their own personal return. A Simple Trust is required to distribute all of its income to beneficiaries each year. It can't distribute principal and it can't make charitable contributions. The trust gets a deduction for the income it distributes. The beneficiaries report that income on their returns and pay the tax. A Complex Trust is everything else. It can accumulate income, distribute principal, or make charitable contributions. If it keeps the income, the trust pays the tax. If it distributes the income, the beneficiaries pay the tax. Here's the kicker. Trusts hit the highest tax bracket at 37% at just $16,000 of income. For individuals, that same rate doesn't kick in until $640,000. I'm Christian with SwoleTax. Keep taxes simple, clean, and stress-free.